Hey everyone, are you tired of carrying around multiple bulky adapters just to keep your gear powered up? Today on Triplezon, we are looking at the best 140 watts GaN USB fast charger. This little brick is an absolute powerhouse that will completely simplify your daily carry. Let's get started. Meet the Vention FEI 140 watts GaN USB fast charger. The Vention FEI is designed to be the only power adapter you will ever need to pack. We all know the daily struggle of finding enough wall outlets at a crowded coffee shop or at the airport. You usually end up juggling several separate plugs for your devices. The Vention FEI steps in to solve that exact frustrating problem by giving you massive desktop-level power in one single hub. Let us talk about the sheer performance and power this device delivers to your electronics. The Vention FEI features a massive 140 watts of total output. What does 140 watts mean for you? It means you have more than enough juice to fast charge incredibly power-hungry devices without hesitation. If you use a power-hungry machine like a 16-inch Apple laptop, you know lower wattage chargers barely keep the battery steady. With the Vention FEI 140 watts GaN USB fast charger, you can plug your demanding computer right into the USB-C 1 or USB-C 2 port and watch your battery climb rapidly. You will see true fast charging speeds even while running heavy video editing software or managing multiple applications. One of the absolute standout features of the Vention FEI is its amazing ability to charge two laptops simultaneously at high speeds. This is an absolute game changer for professionals. Imagine you are working on a demanding project with a colleague at a small desk, or you are traveling on a long trip. Instead of fighting over a single wall socket or carrying two massive power bricks, you can plug both laptops directly into the Vention FEI. It handles the heavy lifting effortlessly, ensuring both computers receive high-speed power without any annoying drops in performance. This dramatically maximizes your productivity because you are never waiting around for your essential devices to charge sequentially. You might wonder how the Vention FEI manages to deliver so much incredible power without overheating. The secret at the heart of its performance is advanced GaN semiconductor technology. GaN stands for gallium nitride, a modern material replacing the old silicon used in traditional older electronics. By utilizing GaN technology, the Vention FEI operates with vastly higher efficiency. It conducts electricity better, resulting in much less heat. Heat is the ultimate enemy of electronics, so this lower operating temperature ensures incredible thermal control and a much longer component life for the charger itself. You get consistently improved charging performance because the charger naturally stays cooler. Because of that amazing GaN technology, the Vention FEI also features a highly compact and lightweight profile. In fact, this device is 38% smaller than many original brand chargers, offering similar high power ratings. Think about those massive power bricks that normally come inside the box with a high-end laptop. They are heavy, they take up entirely too much precious space in your backpack, and they physically weigh you down. The Vention FEI gives you all of that same reliable power, but in a footprint that is wonderfully easy to carry. You can effortlessly slide it into a small pocket in your travel bag, toss it into a purse, or even fit it comfortably into your jacket pocket. It removes unnecessary bulk from your everyday carry setup. Now, let us talk about ultimate convenience and connectivity. The Vention FEI supports amazing all-in-one charging with a total of 4 ports working simultaneously. You are not just limited to charging laptops. You could easily have your main work laptop plugged in while fast charging your smartphone, juicing up your tablet, and topping off your wireless headphones all at the same time from one wall outlet. To make this complicated process work safely, Vention included a highly intelligent power allocation system. The charger communicates with every single device you plug into it. It intelligently adjusts its power output to match the specific needs of each connected gadget. Your smartphone gets the exact safe current it needs, while your laptop gets the higher wattage it demands. This guarantees every device receives the optimal current, providing safe and perfectly optimized charging. The Vention FEI seamlessly handles all the complicated power distribution for you. upgrading your daily charging setup makes every single day a little bit easier and far more productive. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today and experience this amazing power for yourself. Like and subscribe to Triplezon for more awesome tech showcases. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time.